In this demo, we look at how you can use Researcher.Life to find the right journal for your paper. Our Smart Journal Finder compares the topics covered in your manuscript with millions of published papers that we have in our database. And it identifies the journals which have the most relevant papers or similar papers to your research. With this, you can safely reduce your chances of getting rejected due to scope mismatch. So let's see how it works. The first thing that you need to do is upload your manuscript and have it checked by our tool. At the time of registering for a new account, you would have been asked to upload a manuscript. In case you didn't at that point in time, you can still upload it from our personalization widget over here. Or in case you have had a manuscript checked before, you can upload a new one from here on your dashboard. Now we look at a file that's already been processed previously, and we'll see how the recommendations are presented. So along with your submission readiness report, you'd see this section which highlights journals that have been recommended based on the scope of your paper. You can simply click through here and you would go into PubSure, which is the manuscript optimization tool, into the journal recommendation section. Now here, as you scroll down, what you can see is we have identified important concepts in your paper and matched them with the journals. What we also do is we provide what we call a scope match. So the molecular and cellular biochemistry journal has about an 83% match with the paper that I have uploaded to the tool. What it also does is it indicates what are the similar papers, and let me add here recent similar papers from this particular journal, so that you can be guaranteed that the journal is still publishing around the topics that you're writing on. The similar papers can also provide you with cues around the formatting requirements and how the articles are presented. You can get basic information around the journal, around the publisher, the ISSN details that you can use to look up more details about the journal. And you can also get an indicator on the reliability by looking for this green tick. So what this tells us that this particular journal has been indexed in popular indexes like Crossref, PubMed, Scopus, and Web of Science. So there you have it. This is how Researcher.Life can help you identify the right journal for your paper. Remember to give us feedback and tell us if the recommendations are useful. And if you have any questions from your dashboard, you can always reach out to the FAQ section and look at the questions that are available here, or drop us a note and we'll get back to you on what you have to ask us.